Welcome. You've arrived in a space meant only for you. A space beyond the noise, the movement, the expectations of the world. A space where peace lives, quietly, patiently, just beneath the surface of your thoughts. Let us begin this journey inward. Let the sound of the waves remind you that everything in life has rhythm. And just like the tides, you too are always shifting, always flowing, always renewing. Take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Allow your shoulders to drop. Your jaw to soften. Your chest to open. Take another breath, slow and gentle. Inhale, healing. Exhale, release. Feel your body respond. Feel it soften, unwind, return to its natural state of peace. Now, imagine yourself lying on the earth, warm, solid, and safe beneath you. A gentle breeze brushes your skin, carrying the scent of wildflowers, salt water, and ancient trees. Overhead, the leaves rustle softly, moving like whispers in the wind. Birds sing somewhere far off, not for anyone in particular, but simply because they are alive. Everything in this moment is in harmony. And you are part of that harmony. There is no separation here. No stress, no roles to play, no pressure to perform. Only you, as you truly are, surrounded by the loving stillness of nature. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Notice it, without trying to change it. Feel the air enter your nose, travel through your body, and gently leave again. Each breath is a message. A quiet reminder that life is moving through you, moment by moment. Breathe in deeply now. Feel the breath nourish your body. And exhale slowly, releasing anything you've been holding too tightly. Again. Breathe in peace. And breathe out tension. Now gently bring your awareness to your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. The rhythm of your heart. The quiet language of your muscles, your bones, your skin. Your body carries your story, but in this moment, it doesn't need to explain anything. You are allowed to just be. Now, with each breath, imagine a soft golden light moving through you. This light begins at the top of your head, warm, gentle, healing. It glides down your forehead, melting away tension. Down past your eyes, softening your gaze, even behind closed lids. Down through your jaw, neck, and shoulders. This golden light flows like honey, warm and slow, bringing peace to every part of you it touches. Let it move through your chest, your back, down your arms and into your hands. Let it reach your belly, your hips, your thighs, knees, calves, feet. Now your entire body is glowing, calm, and grounded. Rest in this feeling. There is nothing else you need to do. Now let's go deeper. Imagine that you are walking through a quiet jungle path. The ground is soft beneath your feet. Sunlight filters through the leaves above, scattering golden light across your path. Birds call out, not urgently, but in song. A stream flows nearby, a small, sacred sound. As you walk, you feel lighter. With every step, something old falls away. Tension, worries, expectations. They melt off of you like old layers that no longer belong. You walk until you reach a clearing. In the center is a pool of water, clear, still, glowing. This is a healing pool, untouched by time. Its waters remember every soul who ever needed to rest, to remember, to return to themselves. You step into the water. It is warm, and it welcomes you. Feel it wrap around you, lifting you, cradling you. Everything unnecessary dissolves. Everything essential returns. Let the water hold your emotions. Let it hold your grief, your hopes, your doubts, your dreams. You don't need to carry them right now. Let the pool cleanse you, soul, body, and mind. Now, place your hand over your heart. Feel the quiet beating there. This rhythm is your life. It began before you were born. It will continue as long as you need it to. And in this moment, it beats in time with the wind, the waves, the forest, and the stars. You are not alone. You are never alone. You are connected to all that breathes, all that sings, all that grows. Repeat quietly in your mind, or aloud, if you wish, I am safe. I am whole. I am healing. I am loved. I am light. I am grounded. I am enough. Let these words sink into you like water into dry earth. There is nothing more to chase, nothing more to prove. You have always been worthy, even when you doubted, even when you forgot, even now, especially now. Rest in that truth. Now imagine roots growing from your body, gently, naturally, down into the earth beneath you. These roots don't weigh you down. They anchor you in peace. They hold you steady through every season of life. Through joy, through sadness, through growth, and rest. Feel the wisdom of the earth flowing up through these roots, into your body, into your heart, into your breath. And from this place, feel your inner light begin to glow again. A steady flame, a quiet strength. You are not broken. You are becoming. And every breath brings you closer to the truth of who you are. Begin to return now. Slowly, lovingly. Begin to feel your fingers, your toes, the edges of your body. Let your breath deepen. Let your awareness rise like the sun returning to the sky. Take your time. There is no rush. Carry the stillness with you. Let it live in your spine, in your heart, in your voice. And now, begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the rise and fall of your breath once more. Feel your fingers, your toes, the surface beneath you. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes. Maybe roll your shoulders or stretch in any way that feels good. Take one final, deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine yourself carrying this peace with you into the rest of your day or into your dreams. Thank yourself for taking this time, for listening to your inner world, for healing, for simply being. Remember, this calm, this stillness, it lives inside you. You can return to it anytime with just one mindful breath. Repeat to yourself gently, I am peaceful. I am present. I am whole. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. You have returned. And yet, something is different. You are not the same as when you began. You are more grounded, more clear, more whole. You are closer to yourself. Remember this peace. Return to it whenever you need. It is always waiting for you, just beneath the surface of your breath. Thank you for joining this journey. May peace, light, and healing walk with you always. Subscribe for more.